Rubber zub zub. It's going to be a fat owl man in the tub. What I want to do today is jump in, got my bucket of hot soapy water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart all these jets. Let's see if I can get this one open. One of these yesterday, yeah, look. So all the jets. Hello spiders. All looking like this, so if I just fill it with water and switch it on, it's going to go black. So if I strip every one of them down as much as I can, clean it all out, sort it, put it back together, hopefully the water won't go black. But obviously we've got to clean as much of it as we can. There's one missing over there, I think. If it had one, I don't know, might do, looks like. But we'll go through it, we'll clean it all. Soft lad's in jail. Hello Bangs. He's back in his doggy jail, garden starting to come back together. And I laid that little patio thing down there yesterday, that's all going to be pointed in and move all the soil. But we're getting there, so I'm just going to spend the day cleaning. And you see the blue skies and you think, oh, it's glorious. It's still bloody February though, so it's not warm. So we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, look, I've taken the first two jets off. All the dirt in there, so I'm going to just clean it all out as best as I can. See, look, just cash. I'll clean it out as best I can. It's going to take me all day, I reckon. But I've got the hose, I've got a bucket of soapy water, got sponges, got owl toothbrushes. We're ready to roll. Right, I've taken off all the jets and give them a once over with a toothbrush and a cloth. Got different sizes, you know, there was a little one. But different styles, but they all just twist out anti-clockwise, apart from them 5 down there in the middle. They won't come out, and when that one over there and there's about 5 or 6 missing, so I'll be YouTubing eBay and them, see if I can get some fresh ones. But if we have a look in the holes there, look, see all the cash. So what I'm going to do is scrub it as much as I can with a sponge, and I've disconnected that main pipe there on that hose. So what we're going to do, Connor's going to bring my jet wash back because it's in his garage or his garden, wherever it is, and I'm going to put the jet wash through each individual holes and flush it all through, and theoretically it should just drain. In fact, I'll take that one off there as well. I'll take that off and twist it, and it'll bypass the pump altogether, and that way I'm not getting muddy water in the pump. But I'm just going to disconnect all the big pipes I can see like that and flush them all through. There's a few will need to be replaced, like that one there, look, see that kink? There's nothing ever going to go through that, so I'll just replace that and put a more gentle bend on it, a more gentle curve. Round here, that's the light that I broke. When I blew the bloody light up, that's the lens fitting there, but I've already had a new 12 volt LED delivered off Tinterweb, so we can get that done. So yeah, what I'm going to do today is just scrub all this as much as I can and just get us all as clean as I can. Yeah, and then while wifey's out, right, I'm going to put all these in the fucking dishwasher. So they can all go in the dishwasher and be scrubbed. And then when she goes, have you done the dishes? I'll just start laughing and go, yeah, babe, it's all done. So that's the plan for today. Well, look at all this. This is the strainer basket that goes on the top, and obviously there's a filter goes underneath there. Look at these. This afternoon they were black. So I put them in a bowl, scrubbed them with a sponge and a scrubby thing and a toothbrush to get all the cack out. And then me missus went out, so I put the fucking lot in the dishwasher and she couldn't moan at me. But look at them, they've come up like new. I'm made up with them. There's a few missing. And I've already put the order in on Facebook, not Facebook, fucking eBay. So I've ordered the loads, I've just got them in an old plant pot. So I'll put them back together tomorrow. Do a full check of what's missing. I think there's 8 missing. And like you say, they can go back in then. What I might need to do is just put a little bit of gook on them, a little bit of silicone. Just on the ones, there's a couple that are cracked, so like they've come away. I'm not even sure where that one went. I'll find out. Right, but there'll be a great big one in there somewhere. But yeah, we'll put all these back in tomorrow and reassemble it all.